Ivany
TikTok,
diss
one more money
Kizzydon
gone.
wicked.
Pick up yourself, yo. Come in, Messiah. Let's go, Messiah. Let's go, Messiah.
No, man.
One money gone TikTok. Come in, Messiah. Come in, Messiah. Let's go now. You wanna cash out me 2 money gone? Universe or something.
Thank you, love you.
Can't get a universe. Something.
Una don't call her name over your comment, and if I true, she get intense, the pum pum intense feature for one song, she get hype now. Yeah.
Here, Ivany talking about you. I'm talking about Kizzy, Ivany talking about you keep intense the pum pum and then intense feature you in the song.
A true Britain
Murder.
Or the man who shammered over nowhere. What the man name, guys?
I did ask Kizzy that question because I was wondering too, and then she said they don't even kiss. So if they don't kiss, how they gonna fuck? So
Yeah, that's actual.
You know what I'm saying? Because
One money gone TikTok.
but like Kizzy's pretty good at ignoring you, Ivany.
Come in, Messiah. Let's
She
go,
have to
Messiah.
ignore because she know the truth. Remember, say me are intense.
Pack up in there so like Bumbo. We trap. Come in, Messiah. Let's go.
Someone is saying that intense tell you that he and Kizzy have sex.
I know everything what I
Come in,
go
Messiah.
on. I
What's
know
up, Messiah?
everything. She run the pum pum for feature on the song.
Or you get to find out all that going on and you live so far away.
But Brittany, Kizzy is no saint, you know. She walk and collect everybody, man. You know one man named T-Bone, she look T-Bone. She and T-Bone there. She want look K-Man and know she future with intense pan song. May I tell you?
One money gone TikTok.
And that's why I unfollow her because I don't want she come look my new man. So I unfollow her. I don't follow her now, I unfollow her for a long time too.
Ivany, you just come in and come break good vibe with have.
But you just mix up to Kaya. You did that art.
No, we're ready to go. You just come in and make up the whole thing, girl. Like now we're going to leave now because of you.
Whoa!
Now, okay, guys, I'm gonna go now.
I'm gonna go too.
I'm gonna go.
Whoa!
Bye, Brittany.
Bye, I'm gonna go.